Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to introduce 5 most common reasons that got your Facebook ads banned in the past 6 months. Help you to understand the Facebook advertising policy more comprehensively. In our new channel, CJ Dropshipping Training, we will prepare lots of tips like this. Updates like this are really good for your dropshipping business to grow, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bells. Alright, enough introduction, let's jump into it. First reason, controversial content/misleading claims. First, let me quote from Facebook official protocol. The ads on Facebook must not contain deceptive, false, or misleading claims like those relating to the effectiveness of a product or service, whichever claims that set unrealistic expectations for users. I'm bringing this up is because these days, the temporary restrictions on certain products relating to the COVID-19 situation are based on this protocol. The restriction includes non-medical masks, hand sanitizer, and surface disinfectant wipes. In a nutshell, whatever product you're promoting, as long as it claims a guaranteed prevention of COVID-19, your ad will be banned almost instantly. The second reason is adult content. If the product you are promoting happens to be lingerie or other personal product as such, please make sure your ad does not contain 3 factors. First one, nudity. And the second one is depiction of people in suggestive position. Third one is activity that are overly suggestive or sexually proactive. The third reason is non-functional landing page. There's an important but easily forgotten term of Facebook advertising, which is your ads on Facebook cannot direct people to non-functional landing pages. And I'm going to break the most typical mistakes down to 8 examples. First one, error pages or sites that are under construction. And the second is landing pages that are PDF or JPEG files. The third one is landing pages that don't match the product or services promoted in the ad. And the fourth one is landing pages that automatically download files to a person's computer. The fifth one, landing pages that require people to download additional programs or software to access the content. The sixth one, landing pages with a low Web of Trust rating. 7. Directing people to a closed or secret Facebook group. And the final one, sending people to Facebook's homepage. And here comes to reason number 4, personal health. I personally like this rule Facebook made a lot because it's really protecting the consumer's health, both physically and mentally. So basically it's like, first, you can't use before and after images or images that contain unexpected or unlikely results. I acknowledge that before and after images would be very eye-catching, but it's forbidden, so please stay away from them. Secondly, the content of ads cannot imply or attempt to generate negative self-perception in order to promote diet, weight loss, or other health-related products. This is a really good term, to be honest, so if you find your ads might somehow gaslighting your audience, try change it into a more positive vibe. The fifth and also the final one, third-party infringement. Infringement is really a cliche topic already, but there gotta be a reason why it's still on the list. Normally, there's no filter to distinguish the infringement from e-commerce suppliers, especially if you are getting your product from them directly. That's why it's really important to find a reliable supplier for your dropshipping business. In this channel and CJ's blog, we have talked and still will talk a lot about how to choose your suppliers and winning products. So if you're interested, feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. Okay, that's all for today's video. I'm Bella from CJ Dropshipping. If you like this video, please hit the like and leave a comment below. And if you have any question about CJ platform or dropshipping business, always welcome to raise your question on Twitter along with the hashtag AskCJ Dropshipping Anything.